Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, JasmyCoin, currently trading for $0.0031. How high can JasmyCoin go in 2023? What's a realistic price expectation for JasmyCoin in the next 1 year? 2022 has been brutal for altcoins. We've seen JasmyCoin lose more than 96.4% of its value in the last 1 year. But guys, that's not just peculiar to JasmyCoin. A lot of other altcoins dumped really hard in the bear market. Bitcoin, the king of the market, dropped more than 66% in the last 1 year. Ethereum, the king of altcoins, lost more than 70% in the last 1 year. We're expecting the altcoin market to rally in 2023. We're expecting Bitcoin to go to higher price in 2023. How high can JasmyCoin possibly go in 2023? In this video, we'll be looking at the JasmyCoin US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. We'll be looking at key levels where JasmyCoin might face resistance if we're pumping to higher prices in 2023. If we're dumping to Goblin Town, how low can JasmyCoin possibly go? We'll also be looking at JasmyCoin's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at JasmyCoin's market cap. JasmyCoin has a market cap of over $144 million. Are we going to pump to new all-time highs in 2023, or are we going to see JasmyCoin's market cap dump to Goblin Town? We're going to be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is a channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Guys, JasmyCoin is currently down bad in the bear market. JasmyCoin lost more than 20.8% of its value in the last 1 month of 2022. We've seen JasmyCoin drop more than 96.4% in the last 1 year, going from as high as $0.08 to as low as $0.0031. 2022 has been a terrible time for JasmyCoin holders. But guys, that's what happens in the bear market. We also saw JasmyCoin pump in 2021 from the $0.087 region where JasmyCoin dropped to in 2021. We saw JasmyCoin rally up more than 3,600% in 126 days. JasmyCoin got to as high as $0.32, and that's what happens when the market is very, very bullish. That's what happens when we're pumping to the moon. JasmyCoin can pump pretty well to the upside. Just $1,000 invested in JasmyCoin on the 21st of June 2021 would have returned more than $36,000 by November 2021. But since November 2021, when Bitcoin was at $69,000, Ethereum was trading around $4,800, the total crypto market cap was over $3 trillion. We have seen crypto go into Goblin Town. We have seen Bitcoin go from $69,000, dropping to as low as $15,000. Ethereum has gone from $4,800, dropping below $1,000. JasmyCoin has gone from $0.32, dumping to Goblin Town, setting new all-time lows in 2022. JasmyCoin has currently lost 99% of its value from that price point we set in November 2021. Will JasmyCoin continue dumping to Goblin Town in 2023? There's always that possibility that the dump is not over. We might have one final dump to the downside. But guys, if that rally comes in 2023 in the altcoin market, we will expect altcoins to pump to the upside. Can JasmyCoin recover all the losses we made in 2022? For JasmyCoin to go back to where we were in November 2021, JasmyCoin will have to go back up over 10,000%. Even though I believe JasmyCoin will pump to the upside in 2023, key levels should pay attention to where JasmyCoin might face some resistance in 2023. 2023 will prove to be the year of huge accumulation. Millionaires are going to be made by the end of the next bull run, are going to be accumulating heavy in 2023. Do you want to be among those investors, or do you want to wait for JasmyCoin to start pumping to higher prices before you start accumulating? Important levels to pay attention to for JasmyCoin. We might see JasmyCoin rally to the $0.00955 level in 2023. From where we're currently trading right now, JasmyCoin will have to rally up more than 200% for us to get there. Now, we might get rejected at that level at our first attempt. We might come back, set new all-time lows before we go back to attempt to pump to higher prices. Can see JasmyCoin maybe pumping to the $0.0095 level. We'll get rejected at that level. We'll come back, set new all-time lows, and then we'll pump to higher prices. 2023 is where JasmyCoin will find its bottom. Even though all coins have been dumping to Goblin Town, at some point in time, the market will heal itself and we'll see this all coins start pumping to higher prices. Now, if JasmyCoin can go above the $0.095 level in 2023, another level where JasmyCoin can get to in 2023, where we might start finding some heavy resistance, might be around the $0.042 level. From where we're currently trading right now, JasmyCoin will have to go up over 1,200% for us to get there. In the bear market, we're not expecting huge pumps to the upside, but in the bear market, JasmyCoin can still pump another 1,200%. That will carry JasmyCoin to the $0.04 level. But guys, JasmyCoin setting new all-time highs in 2023 is very unlikely. We have to see Bitcoin showing us the way, pumping to new all-time highs. We have to see the altcoin market pumping above $1 trillion. In that situation, I'll not be shocked to see JasmyCoin giving us a 10,000% pump to new all-time highs. But I believe 2023, a lot of smart investors are going to be accumulating their favorite altcoins. Altcoins have had a terrible 2022. We have gone through the markdown period. Now we're going through the accumulation period, getting ready for the next bull run in 2024 and in 2025. If you take a look at what JasmyCoin has done in the last 1 year, we saw this altcoin go from as high as $0.093 to as low as $0.0029. With a market cap of $144 million and a fully diluted market cap of $156 million, JasmyCoin has a maximum supply of 50 billion tokens. And out of those 50 billion tokens, we have over 46.2 billion JasmyCoin tokens in circulation. JasmyCoin is currently ranked 135 on CoinMarketCap and has over 100,000 people that have JasmyCoin on their watch list. If you want to get some JasmyCoin in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run, where can you buy some JasmyCoin? You can get some JasmyCoin on your favorite crypto exchange, on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Qcoin, on BitTop, on Bitfinex, on Bittrex, on SushiSwap, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some JasmyCoin right there. If you take a look at JasmyCoin's performance against Bitcoin, 2022 has been a very terrible time for JasmyCoin holders. If you have been holding some JasmyCoin instead of some Bitcoin, you saw the value of your crypto drop more than 95% against Bitcoin. We can still set new all-time lows in the bear market. 2023 might be a very bearish year for JasmyCoin, but I expect us to at least see a pump against Bitcoin, maybe a 100% pump, a 200% pump, nothing crazy. Yes, JasmyCoin might pump to new all-time highs by the end of the next bull run, but as accumulation is happening in the bear market, you expect people to run towards Bitcoin. A lot of people are scared in the market right now, and when people are scared, they run towards safety. And safety for us in the crypto market is Bitcoin and Ethereum. And during the bear market, a lot of people shun altcoins, running towards Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you take a look at JasmyCoin's performance against Ethereum, we have set new all-time lows in the bear market. We might keep dumping hard in 2023, but just like against Bitcoin, I'll not be shocked to see JasmyCoin outperform Ethereum at some point in time in 2023, maybe giving us a 300 or 400% pump against Ethereum. But ultimately, you want to be careful with altcoins in the bear market. If you're accumulating these altcoins in the bear market, you don't want to go all in. The fact that you're buying these altcoins, guys, doesn't mean they can't stop dumping to Goblin Town. They can keep dumping to Goblin Town. We might even see a 40 or 50% dump in JasmyCoin in 2023. Another important chart you want to pay attention to throughout 2023, if you're going to be holding JasmyCoin for the long haul, is JasmyCoin's market cap. We saw the market cap drop to the $16 million region, and all of a sudden, JasmyCoin's market cap shot to over 190 million. What happened? We saw more JasmyCoin tokens coming to circulation. We saw the supply of JasmyCoin increase. In the last 3 weeks, JasmyCoin supply has increased by more than 1,000%. So maybe, just maybe, we might see JasmyCoin dumping to Goblin Town, because if the market cap is going to come back to where we got to in November 2022, we'll see JasmyCoin's market cap dropping another 88%. And where will the price of JasmyCoin be if we see another 88% drop in the price of Jasmy from where we're currently trading right now? Guys, JasmyCoin will be down in Goblin Town, and we'll see this altcoin trade around the $0.00051 level. Will you be buying some JasmyCoin in the bear market? Do you think we can come down low in the bear market? If we see JasmyCoin's market cap rallying up to higher prices, I'll not be shocked to see us maybe get to that $500 million region. But from where we're currently trading right now, for JasmyCoin's market cap to get to that $500 million region, JasmyCoin's market cap will go up 263%. If we're going to go to the $1 billion region, we'll have to see a 633% increase in JasmyCoin's market cap. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you buying more Jasmy coin in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run? How high do you think Jasmy coin can go in 2023? If you keep dumping to Goblin Town, how low do you think Jasmy coin will get to? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.